Hello everyone, and I'm welcoming all the students that are starting to learn Revit and that are on a journey to become the best architect. And on this channel, we are going to get you started from where you get the software, how much it costs, and your system requirements for the computer so that it can run smoothly. And on this channel, it's called ARDL, and on this channel, I'm going to cover Revit and Autocad. As you can see, ARDL stands for Autocad and Revit drafting lessons. But in this particular video, I'm going to concentrate on Revit. So let's get started. You need to type in your search autodesk.com, and it will take you to this page. And on this page, you are basically going to go to products, where you're going to go straight to Revit. Go to Revit, you're going to find this page where you now have to choose which version you need to go for. Just get it refreshed. Okay, so you have an option to download the free trial, and this free trial only lasts you for 30 days. So as for me, I'm going to download the free trial so that I can get you the latest version, and you'll find out that whatever Revit you're gonna be using, if it's only maybe 3 years apart, there won't be many changes to the software. So you can still learn using any Revit version that is about 3 years apart. And if you can see, it will cost you about $2,675 per year. And depending on where you stay, there are dealers that can sell you the software. Some have got plans for monthly subscriptions, which is make it affordable. But it's worth a while because for what you're gonna get from the jobs you're gonna be drawing from Revit, you can actually afford this. But if you are a student, then you have an option to go and download a student version. But for a student version, you will be verified. You need to tell them which college you are going to and send all the documents that are required. As you can see in this page, it asks you, is the Revit for business, is it for education, or is just for viewing files? The one for business is when you're gonna pay the full amount. The one for education is you're not gonna pay a subscription, but you have to prove that you're a student, and it might take a while of up to 7 days or so to get your license, and it's got limitations. But also you can also, if you just want to view files, you go to file viewer, but we don't want on any of these ones. I suggest if you want to learn, go to trial version for 30 days, and then once you get the gist of the software, you can start making money and you'll be able to afford the software. So I'm gonna download this business one as a 30-day trial version, and then we're gonna, on my next videos, we're gonna start learning from that one. But I want to show you also the system requirements. So let's go back to products, and we go to Revit, and on this page we're going to find out what are the systems requirements. If you go there, it says system requirements, and I've already set up my computer, and it's doing very well. There is no problem carrying the software. So we're gonna compare what my computer has and what the system requirements is. So you see here, we've got also a tab for download a free trial. This one will give you 30 days of using the full version without having to buy the license. But after that, you have to buy your license. So let's go to system requirements. There is minimum entry level configuration, or you can go to straight to Revit 22, which I have my computer. Here are the system requirements. What I'm going to do is I'm going to compare to what I have my computer and what they're saying. So you see here, basically they need an 8 gig memory. But you see the computer that I'm using is more than that. I've got a memory of 16 gig here. So I'm doubling that. So you also have a very fast hard drive, you have a solid one. Also, you have CPU type, which obviously will amount to the latest Intel Core i5 that I have at the moment. If you can get anything higher than that, that'll be fine. That'll be fine. And here's the speed that you need for your processor, and you can just compare everything that is here to what is. I'm not an IT guy, but what I did is to help you. You print this page and take it to the person who's going to build your computer, and then they must just double whatever is said here, because this is the entry level, and this is actually what I'm using, and it's fast enough. But also remember, if you just build a gaming computer, it's fast enough to handle this software, so you won't have a problem. So back to downloading software. Let's go and let's get the software downloaded so that we can get started. Go to products, and then we go to start a trial, and then there you go. You just go and find a button where it's gonna ask you to download the trial version. As you can see, anybody can do this. So there's also questions and answers on how to do it, but I don't want all this. All I want is to go straight to where I download my software. Start a trial. Then where's Revit? Let's look for it. There's Autocad, there's Revit. All right, and then see more. Okay, free trial. The full version is what we want. Then we'll come to rotation. It doesn't really matter. You can change this location. Then you've got option for students as well, but this one also requires you to be a student. They need proof for that, so you rather just buy. So download free trial is where we want to go, and then we just click on business, and then next, and then you put your email address there, and you just say, for example, I want to use my Gmail address for that, which is so you just put your details there, and then you follow all the prompts that are gonna give you, and then you download. So I will see you in the next video, whereby I'll actually be starting to tell you how you can draw in Revit. and we're talking about Revit 2022, and this is the latest version that we have, and also it will keep you on top of the game because the latest version that you have. Okay, so we'll see you next time. Make sure you subscribe so that you can see what I'm going to be teaching you next time, and also you understand how to use Revit and all that sort of thing. Thank you.